Cheese, a timeless delicacy that has delighted humans for centuries. From creamy Brie to sharp Cheddar, cheese holds a special place in our hearts and on our plates. But how is it made? Today, we'll take you on an incredible journey from lush pastures to a state-of-the-art cheese factory to uncover the secrets behind this beloved food.
It all begins here, on the farm. The milk used to make cheese is the foundation of its flavor and quality. Dairy cows are carefully bred and fed to produce milk that meets exacting standards. Farmers take pride in their livestock, often employing nutritionists to ensure the cows are getting a balanced diet, which directly affects the quality of milk. Every drop is tested for purity, fat content, and freshness to ensure only the best makes its way to the factory.
The journey continues as the milk is transported to the factory in refrigerated trucks. These trucks are equipped with advanced temperature controls to maintain the milk's freshness. Upon arrival, it undergoes another round of testing to guarantee its quality. The milk is then pasteurized, a process that eliminates harmful bacteria while preserving its natural goodness. Pasteurization involves heating the milk to a specific temperature and then cooling it rapidly, a technique that not only makes the milk safe but also prepares it for the next crucial step. Here's where the magic happens. The milk is poured into large vats, where natural cultures and rennet are added. These ingredients help the milk coagulate, separating into solid curds and liquid whey. The choice of cultures plays a vital role, as it determines the cheese's final flavor and texture. For example, Swiss cheese requires specific cultures to form its signature holes. This step is critical, as it lays the foundation for the texture and flavor of the cheese. The curds are then cut into smaller pieces to release even more whey. The size of the cuts determines the type of cheese being made. Larger curds for softer cheeses like Brie, and smaller curds for harder varieties like Parmesan. Specialized cutting tools and machines are used to ensure precision. The whey is drained, leaving behind the precious curds that will soon become cheese. Some factories repurpose the whey into other products such as protein powders and animal feed, ensuring nothing goes to waste. The curds are then shaped into molds. This step not only gives the cheese its final form, but also removes any remaining whey. Workers carefully monitor the process, adjusting the molds to ensure uniformity. Hydraulic presses apply immense pressure, compacting the curds into solid blocks. This is where the cheese starts to take on its recognizable shape and density. For artisanal cheeses, some factories even employ hand-pressing methods to add a touch of tradition to the process. Next comes salting, a process that enhances the flavor and acts as a natural preservative. Some cheeses are soaked in brine while others are dry salted. The amount and method of salting can vary widely, affecting both taste and texture. For example, blue cheeses may have salt added directly into the curds before molding. Then, the cheese is aged in temperature-controlled rooms, where time works its magic. Aging rooms, or affinage caves, are meticulously maintained to create the perfect environment for each type of cheese. Depending on the variety, the aging process can last from weeks to years, developing complex flavors and textures. Cheeses like Gouda are often coated in wax to protect them during aging, while others like Brie develop a natural rind. Before the cheese reaches your plate, it undergoes rigorous quality checks. Experts, known as master affineurs, test every batch for consistency, flavor, and appearance. They use their senses of taste, touch, and even sound. Yes, some cheeses are tapped to check for air pockets to ensure perfection. It's this attention to detail that ensures every wheel of cheese meets the highest standards. Once the cheese is perfected, it's packaged to preserve its freshness and flavor. High-speed machines wrap each piece with precision, ready to be shipped to stores and kitchens around the world. Some premium cheeses are hand-wrapped and labeled to highlight their artisanal nature. Packaging also plays a role in marketing, with vibrant designs and labels showcasing the cheese's origin and unique qualities. From humble beginnings on the farm to the intricate craftsmanship of the factory, the journey of cheese is a testament to human ingenuity and nature's bounty. So the next time you enjoy a slice of cheddar or a bite of Brie, remember the care, passion, and artistry that went into every bite. Cheesemaking is more than a process. It's a celebration of tradition, innovation, and the simple joy of good food.